Hey LinkedIn, need a little help from you. You've changed some of the functionality in messaging and it's become a little more burdensome to use messaging in validating who sends us invites. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If I go to my network and from my network I go to Manage All. From Manage All, I can see who sent me a message. However, I always, if I look at someone I don't know who they are, I always click the message button to send them a message. Here's the problem. The problem is when you click on it today, it opens up this naked little pop-up box. It doesn't tell me that I did send this guy a message or that that person's responded to me. This message box pop-up is not conducive to messaging people during invitations to validate who they are. So I really am not a fan of this. What I have to do is I have to go to messaging and I have to either do a search or I have to scroll and go find Joshua and see if I sent Joshua a message. And then I can see that he sent me the invite and I've sent him my message and he has not responded. So I wouldn't just click on this and pop up this box. This is very unproductive, very difficult to use if you're wanting us to connect with people in a meaningful way. I would prefer that when I click on this box right here, when I click on this, that it brings up this message right here that I've already sent to him so I know what I have or have not done. I know what they have or have not done in context of responding. This box, again, is very restrictive to be able to use messaging to validate who these people are sending us invites. Please, let's revert back to what we had.